Hello students. So I'm going to explain little theory part of this chapter. That name of the chapter is dissolution of partnership firm. So what is dissolution? Okay. First let's see what is dissolution of partnership. Dissolution of partnership means some of the partners terminate their connection with the firm and remaining partners will continue the business of the firm. Okay, so what it means, I'll give an example. Say, for example, three partners were doing the business A, B, and C. Yes, so here some partners, say maybe C, will say that he doesn't want to be a partner. Okay, he wants to end the business with them. So A will go, remaining A and B partners will continue the business. That is dissolution of partnership. Here just one partner has left, but the other partners will remain, they will continue the business. That is dissolution of partnership. Okay. Now, dissolution of partnership firm. Second question you see this was dissolution of partnership. Here, what is the meaning of dissolution of partnership firm? Okay, it means dissolution of partnership between all the partners of the firm. All the partners cut their connection with the firm and the business will be closed down. Come back to the same example. Say A, B, C. Here all the three partners want to end the business. Yes, they will close down the business. Their partnership will end. That is called as dissolution of partnership firm. Yes, I will just repeat it once again, students. Dissolution of partnership what? That is just one partner or two partners will terminate their connection. They will leave the business. Remaining partners will continue. Dissolution of partnership firm andre all the partners will end their connection. The business will be closed down. Okay? Yes. Now, state any two circumstances under which partnership firm is dissolved. That is, when the partnership firm is dissolved, that is all the partners when they will end the business. It is just 2 marks question, so any two if you write is enough. Yes, that is expiry of fixed period. That is maybe A, B, C had come to business, they had told we will do the business maybe only for 2 years. So when 2 years is done, they will end the partnership. Okay. Then another you can write this with a contract between the partner. Maybe before coming into the business, they had signed a contract. We will work only for 5 years. After that, will end. So the contract has end, the business also will end. Okay, there are other two also. You can write it. Any two if you write is enough. Now this is a very important question, students. Difference between partnership and dissolution of partnership and dissolution of partnership firm. Very very important for 2 marks. Okay. First one, in dissolution of partnership, business is not closed because remaining partners will carry on the business. Okay. But in dissolution of partnership, business is closed. Yes, what is the first point? Your business is not closed, business is closed. Second, assets and liabilities are revalued. Dissolution of partnership alli, one person will go but the remaining persons will do the business. So assets and liabilities are revalued. That's why revaluation account we open here. But in dissolution of partnership firm, assets are sold, liabilities are paid off. It is like closing entire business, students. So what all assets they had, they will sell it. Liabilities ಏನಿದೆ ಅವರು pay ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Okay. Yes. Very important question for 2 marks. Next, what is realization account? So, you know what is revaluation account. We have done so many problems. Now, what is realization account? See, it is an account which is prepared at the time of dissolution of partnership firm. See, this firm you should write. If you write prepared at the time of dissolution of partnership, it is wrong. You need to write it is prepared at the time of dissolution of partnership firm to ascertain or to find the profit and loss of realization of assets and payment of liabilities. Realization of assets andre assets sell, when you sell all the assets, when you pay all the liabilities, how much profit or loss you have earned. To calculate that, this account is opened. I will repeat it once again, students. See, when dissolution of partnership firm ಆಗ್ತದೆ, that is say A, B and C were doing business. All the three want to end the business. So all business will be closed. That time all the assets will be sold. All the liabilities will be paid. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡುವಾಗ when they do this, whether it is profit or loss has to be calculated by the help of one account. That account is called as realization account. Okay? Yes, why is realization account prepared? Important question. It is prepared to close all the ledger accounts and to make settlement of accounts. Yes, this account is prepared to close all the ledger accounts. All the books are closed and all settlements are done. Settlements andre all the salary is paid, rent is paid, all your liabilities are paid. Okay? Yes. Now, yeah, the same question repeats. How do you close realization account on dissolution of firm? See, revaluation, what we used to do, profit or loss, we used to transfer to the partner's capital account. Similarly, students, here also it is closed by transferring the balance to the partner's capital account. Yes, the profit or loss, we will take it to the partner's capital account. Okay? Yes. Thank you, students.